Hi there. My name is Tom, and I'm your Success Manager with Covet.pics, and you can contact me anytime using the Help button from any page in our app. Covet.pics is a massive application, and it can be used in a massive amount of ways. Anyone with a presence on Instagram can use our app to pull images from Instagram into a gallery that you can put into your Shopify store. It adds flair, color, and professionalism to your store. Most importantly, it adds one more way to funnel your customers to the checkout page. Converting sales is your end goal, and we've built Covet.pics with that in mind. Clothing, shoes, jewelry, art, events, furniture, you name it, there are no limits to what you can show off with an amazing gallery, and shoppers love shopping visually. Instagram and galleries like ours offer the customer a view into how a product can be used, how it actually looks, and it gives them a way to engage with you. So what exactly can our app do? We have a ton of powerful features. One of our favorites is called Direct Buy and allows you to add an active Add to Cart button right in the image pop-up. The customer can look at your gallery, click Add to Cart, select a variant if there is one, and the item is added straight to their cart without any need to redirect the customer to another page. This is possible because you can tag products in every single image in your galleries, and you can even add hotspots to show exactly which product the customer is looking at. This feature has encouraged our users to create entire pages dedicated to the gallery. Shop Our Look pages have become a massive sales strategy, and Covet.pics is enabling our users to take advantage of that need. When you tag products in an image, that image gets automatically added to a product-specific gallery that we simply call product galleries. You can embed a generic code into your product coding that will automatically detect the product and show a gallery with images tagged with that product. It just adds one more way for your customers to see your product when they are making a decision, and it gives you another way to showcase your products. Another massive feature that we've introduced is called Customer Photos. It gives you a massive amount of power to really connect with your customer and encourage a community mindset. Customer Photos allows your customers to upload their own images to your galleries, with your moderation of course, and allows you to reward them for doing so. You can even automate the entire process by setting up automatic email notifications that ask customers that recently purchased to upload an image. All of this can be incentivized so that you can offer discount codes after their image is uploaded. Growing and engaging a community of customers can be difficult, but we try to make it easy with features like this. On top of all that, you can easily customize your galleries, and each one can be vastly different from the next. With features such as drag and drop rearranging, pinning images, layout presets, and the ability to add custom CSS, there's almost nothing you can't do with your galleries. Choose from a slider, grid, or collage layout to best suit your images, and reuse the same galleries you have with different layouts using multiple embed codes. If you run an external website to Shopify, you can even embed your gallery there. We also want Covet.pics to be easy to use, so we've created a large library of guides and tutorials to help you set everything up. If you're migrating from another app, we can transfer all your images and data in no time. If you're having trouble setting it up, send me an email with all the details, and I'll get your gallery to show up exactly how you want it. Covet.pics is built to enable sales, engage customers, and be easy to use. We're here to help, and we'd love feedback, so reach out anytime, and if you have questions after this video, just email us at support@spacesquirrel.co, and I'll help you with whatever questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.